Hello, I'm Abby, and I'm Buro's June cover star. I'm the founder of Purpose Plastics, and we're on a mission to tackle plastic pollution. So globally, only 9% of plastic waste can be recycled, and the rest of them often end up in landfills. So what we're doing in Purpose Plastics is to repurpose the 91% of the plastic waste that are supposedly in landfills. So today, I'm going to show you how to repurpose used plastic bottles into everyday items you can use at home. So on this table, I have a bunch of used shampoo bottles from Schwarzkopf and also some DIY materials that I'm going to use to show you how to turn these into a vase and a trinket box that you can do it yourself at home. Okay, let's start. First things first, I'm going to roll up my sleeve and wash the bottles here. Second, we're going to decorate them. This is like an exam. Oh, look. It's cute, hey? And this is it, our trinket jar that you can put your earrings in, or pins, or money, if that's what you like. But yes. There's no way to do this gracefully, guys, so just go for it. The final step, of course, is to fill them up. And not forgetting the last pair. And voila, there you have it. All in 15 minutes. No more excuse. Don't throw that bottle away. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to know more about me and the work I do on plastic waste, please do check out the cover story on Buro247.my.